In this session of TS Academy, we'll discuss advertising agency. What is the work of an ad agency? The ad agency creates ads, plans how, when, and where it should be delivered, and hands it over to the client. Definition of ad agency. The American Association of Advertising Agencies, or 4As, defined advertising agency as an independent business composed of creative and business people who develop, prepare, and place advertisements in the advertising media for sellers seeking to find customers for their goods or services. This is a very simple definition. It simply means there are people who look out for business and there are people who work or who carry out this business forward. They are creative people. Business people bring in, pitch in to the advertiser and bring in the client or the account. The creative people work on the inputs given by the account and prepare the ad so that the account is able to reach his prospective customers. Reasons or need for hiring an ad agency. Because it is a group which comprises of experience and expertise, then it is objective and professionalism, and it is cost effective. Functions of an ad agency: client servicing, creative department, production department, media department, research department, financial department, and strategic planning. Okay, now this is the organizational structure of an ad agency. Broadly, an ad agency has four major departments: the accounts department, the creative department, the marketing department, and the management department. Now the account department basically goes, pitches for the account and gets the business for the organization. Now the account executive is also known as a liaison between the agency and the client or the account. What he does is he gets the input from the account and pass it on to the creative people who comprises of production, visualizers, uh, maybe directors, producers, and they work out to form the first draft of the ad. Now this draft of the ad is again through the account executive is presented to the client for approval. Once the client approves it, it goes to the marketing department who buys media time and space. Now here is a research wing which assists account executives and creative department during the production of the ad. Now this department, once it has bought the media time and space, next the management services come into place where they hire the personnel, the professionals and the expertise needed to the management and functioning of the advertising agency. They deal with purchasing, training, and looks after the monetary part of the working of the ad agency. Now, when I say account for an ad agency, I mean client for the ad agency. Here, the account has nothing to do with the financial account. Here, the account, if I say the account of the ad agency, I mean the client of the ad agency. Now, let us look at the types of ad agency. First is the full service ad agency. Now, full service ad agency has all the four departments, that is account, marketing, creative, and management and finance department, who work in coordination to carry out the work of an ad agency. Then we have media buying services houses or media buying agency. What this agency does is, this agency is specialized in buying media time and space. Now this is a very complex situation. Here the media buying agency looks into the prospective customers of the particular advertiser and then accordingly buys media time and space according to the accessibility of the customers to that media and the reachability of that media towards the clients. Then you have creative boutiques. These are very small agencies who basically work on creative thing. Now here the creative department is functioning. This is a bouquet, or this is a bouquet which comprises of flowers who are creative people like visualizers, conceptualizers, designers, directors, storyboard designers. These are the creative people, and they work in addition to, they work, say, in collaboration with the other agency who does not have a creative department of its own. Then you have in-house ad agency. This ad agency is the ad agency of the advertiser himself. Okay, this is the ad agency of the bigger organization on a business setup who have their own ad agency, right, to uh, produce the ad, okay, for their brands as well as for the others except the competing brand. But in-house ad agency, um, there's a hitch or there's a drawback with the in-house ad agency. It is fair that in-house ad agency might not be very objective in determining the reach of the brand and in positioning of the brand. Thank